Right then folks, so today I'm going to share with you something called the Palomar knot, okay, and this is the knot that I use when I'm attaching swivels or snap links, anything like that, to my main line in my fishing. Now I'm going to be honest, this isn't a knot that I've used a massive amount until quite recently, probably in the last 6 months to be honest. I first came across it when I was doing some drop shotting 3 or 4 years ago, and I never really made the connection to use it for anything else, to be honest. And it wasn't until I was shown it by someone in the England feeder squad that I thought, yeah, genius, do you know what I mean? And this is the knot that I'm going to show you now. So whenever you need to attach a snap link swivel or a swivel to your line, if you're feeder fishing in particular, this is the best knot to use, okay? Right then, so for this one, you got your swivel. Again, it's oversized, so you can see clearly on the cameras. So you're going to pop your main line through the swivel like that, pull a bit on, and then you're going to take that end and you're going to pop it back through the top link on that swivel, okay? So your swivel is sat on its own loop of line like that, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very, very simple overhand knot, okay, which is basically that. So you get your swivel in the middle, put a loop in your main line like that, so that goes over the top, and then get that loop and pop it through there like that, okay? Now if you were to pull that tight, you'd end up with a dead simple overhand knot, but because the swivel's there, you don't want to do that. What you want to do instead is pop that loop, or the swivel rather, through that loop like that, and then pull it tight, okay, like that. And as you can see, it's looping back over on itself and cinching down like that, okay. Now what we do is, because we've got that little loop there, we'll just cinch that down like that, pull it tight, and we'll trim off that tag end like so. And as you can see there, you've got a really small tiny knot, and that is a mega strong little knot. It's a lot neater, a lot tidier than the standard knot that you would use, okay? And I'd watched a video online, some guy in America was testing knot strength because they use the Palomar knot for a lot of low fishing and stuff like that for the bass, and it was actually 20% stronger than your standard knot, and that is a massive advantage, isn't it? Especially on these commercials nowadays where you're playing big chunky double figure carp, you don't want to lose one. Right then, so yeah, so that was the Palomar knot. Nice, quick, simple, neat, and more importantly, a really strong knot to use. So yeah, definitely give it a go. Now, while you're here, what I'm also going to do is just show you the loop tire. Now I did do a video about this a little while ago, but it's in the back catalogue somewhere, and I thought while I'm doing knots, I use the loop tire an awful lot during my fishing, because it just gives me those perfect little loops on the end of my main line when I'm doing a loop to loop for attaching hook lengths and stuff like that, okay? So I'm going to very quickly just run through this again just to show you. And what we're going to do is get your main line, okay, loop it over your finger, and then trap it between your middle finger and your thumb. Now get your loop tire, pop it in, and you just simply loop it round twice, put the loop over the big bit of the head and in that little smiley face gap, and pull it tight, okay? And then you're halfway there. At this point, lick it or wet it, and then simply pull that off like that, and that loop tire gets ejected. Then we're going to snip off the tag end, oopsies, and there you go, a nice simple loop knot. And that is mega strong as well, and as I say, I use that for attaching all my hook lengths and stuff on pole rigs, anytime really I need to attach something to my main line, or from the main line rather. But yeah, just really simple. cheap as chips. Pick them up from your local tackle shop, and they will really help. And as you've seen there, it's dead simple, dead quick, and you get consistently the same size knots every single time. Okay, so I hope that's helped. If you've watched more than 2 of these videos, then that's a big hint that you need to hit that subscribe button. So if you haven't done it, get it done right now. Okay, and I will catch you all later. Cheers.